show how we can run the both JavaScript and Java within VS Code. There is few configurations as you can see here, so we'll go over them. So first, to start with, I have two blank projects, which is the JavaScript and Java, both blank projects as you can see there. And the first step that we have to do is like install the code-runner extension from VS Code, which is pretty easy as you can see there, which I already installed. Right, and the next step would be open the settings file, and then click on the JSON file there in the top right hand corner, and make sure that you have the couple of configurations. One is for JavaScript, which uses the node there, and the next one is the that is the for JavaScript, right? And then the next one is for the Java, which is on line number 14. You make sure that you have a Java.home path given there, which you can actually get it from your laptop, whether it is Windows or Mac. But I can show you what we can see in the Mac in the terminal. So you go to the terminal and type the java-home -v command that actually gives you the JDK path there. So I've taken the JDK 17 path here and then put back in there in the settings file, right? As you can see there, that completes the configuration part of it. And then the other one is that you have to make sure that you have Node installed within your laptop. So if you want, you can see Google it how to install Node, but that's one of the prerequisite for the JavaScript part of it. And then now we create a test JavaScript file to show that the configuration is working within VS Code. So the test JavaScript file, writing a print statement, which is a console log, just to check our configuration works. So once you have completed that, whatever you have, you click the play button there, I think run button. Essentially you see the file is executing there. And the another way to do that is actually, there is second way to do that. So open the terminal and then type node and the file path name essentially. So you have to give a full path name there. So and then you see the file is getting executed. That concludes the JavaScript part of it. Right, and then we move to the next part of this video, which is the how to run a Java file, right? So you have all the configurations in place and code runner is in place, I would if you see, and then you create a test Java file, and then essentially run the print command, sysout print command to make sure that file getting executed. And as you can see there, and then if you see, there is a run icon in the top of the main method, so you click that in your file is executing. So that is the